Hello biologists, in today's daily revision task you've been asked to produce an information sheet on how hydrogen bonding occurs between water molecules and how this relates to some of its functions within living organisms. A water molecule consists of two hydrogen atoms covalently bonded to an oxygen atom. Because oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, it has a greater pull on the shared electrons. The oxygen atom causes the oxygen atom to be slightly negatively charged because the electrons are close to it, and therefore the hydrogen atoms to be slightly positively charged. Therefore, we can refer to water as a polar molecule. The slightly negative and slightly positive regions of water molecules are attracted to charged regions of other molecules, forming hydrogen bonds, which are relatively weak in comparison to other chemical bonds. Water will form hydrogen bonds with itself. Hydrogen bonds within water give it high stability, which means that a large amount of energy is required to raise the temperature of water. This property means that the oceans and lakes provide a stable environment in which organisms can live. This also means that a large amount of heat is required to evaporate water, so it is very useful in cooling. For example, some animals sweat to cool down. As water decreases in temperature, its molecules are less able to break the hydrogen bonds as they have less kinetic energy. This means a semi-crystalline structure is formed which holds the water molecules apart, making ice less dense than liquid water, such that it floats in water. This means that it insulates the water beneath, allowing organisms to survive in that water. Cohesion is a tendency of molecules within a substance to stick together. Water has a high cohesion because of hydrogen bonding. This is important as transport of water in the xylem of a plant relies on the water being pulled up. Cohesion also gives the water a high surface tension, allowing small organisms such as pond skaters to walk along it. Water is a good solvent for other polar molecules since it can interact with the charged regions and dissolve the substance. It is also a good solvent for ionic substances since the water molecules cluster around the ions and separate them, thus dissolving them. This property, along with the fact that water is a liquid over a wide range of temperatures, makes it ideal for acting as a medium in which metabolic reactions can occur and also as a transport vehicle. Hopefully this video should have helped you complete your daily revision task. Please subscribe so you can keep up to date with other videos to help with your daily revision tasks. You can follow me on Facebook or follow me on Twitter to help you keep up to date.